Hey guys, it's me, Derek, from your other videos, and we're in my backyard again. Yeah. Well, it has some good news and bad news. Well, good news, and bad news. First, good news is that I've almost reached, well, I have a new subscriber, okay? I haven't checked because I don't know how. There's no telling however many I have. And what are you doing? The second good thing is that we moved Athena out of the backyard, the Rottweiler, into the house, and she is tick-free. The bad news is that this one, Nova, has been getting out over there, and she is roaming around, and I'm afraid that I might lose her. She's a little rotten butthole. And, yeah, she's getting out. Go get Shy. What I'm watching. I like to do this. Shine, sit. She is fast. Well, yeah. That's Nova. Remember, I think she's a pit bull. We think that she's a pit bull mixed with a German Shepherd, but we're not sure. And that Cheyenne or wolf dog mix. Oh gosh, I figured out what that pop does. Don't drink that. Don't drink that. Don't drink that. Athena, shine. Don't drink that. Stop it. Don't drink it. Don't drink it. It's soap water. And it's leaking out. Oh, it's washer. Oh yeah. One more thing that I had to do before I end this video. I have to give a shout out. Now to all my 10 subscribers. This is only for one of you. Okay? And it's the person that got me started on YouTube. He's the one that taught me everything I know about YouTube. He was there for me everything through the way. He's done everything for me. Eric Snyder. I forgot his username. Yeah, I forgot his username. It was Eric the Great Snyder. No, stop. But, it's like Arctic something or Arctic Blitz or something. I know it's Gatorade. Well, shoot, I done forgot it. But, yeah, I'd like to give you a shout out for everything that you've done for me. Yeah, and, go subscribe to his channel. I'll try to leave it in the comments below if I can figure it out. And, yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.